Introductory tutorial, Trading Station, FXCM. Getting started, how to download Trading Station. Welcome to FXCM. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to get started with Trading Station, FXCM's proprietary trading platform designed for both beginner and advanced traders. To begin, head over to FXCM.com. On the top menu, hover over the Platforms tab and click on Trading Station. Here, you'll see options to download. Trading Station for desktop PC mobile versions for iOS and Android. Click Download for your preferred device and follow the installation instructions. The desktop version offers the most robust features, while the mobile app is perfect for trading on the go. Navigating the Trading Station interface. Once installed, launch the platform and log in using your FXCM demo or live account credentials. The Trading Station dashboard features quote board, live streaming prices for various Forex pairs and CFDs, charts window, access to powerful charting tools with dozens of technical indicators, market orders, panel, place market, stop and limit orders quickly, accounts, window, monitor your balance, equity, margin, and open positions in real time. Customizing your experience. Trading Station is highly customizable. You can change chart types, candlestick, bar, line, add technical indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, set up automated strategies using FXCM's proprietary scripting tool, Lua. You can also create alerts, add custom watch lists, and even trade directly from the charts. Why use Trading Station? Trading Station is designed to give you full control with fast execution, real-time analytics, and deep functionality. Whether you're scalping or swing trading, Trading Station adapts to your style. Conclusion: your trading journey starts here. Now that you've downloaded Trading Station and know your way around, you're ready to explore the markets. Don't forget to open a demo account if you're just starting out. Subscribe to FXCM for more tutorials, trading tips, and market analysis. Happy trading!